Today I'm going to tell you about the Enron debacle, that is a very famous case for analyzing how the corporate governance failed in a company. The reasons of failure of the Enron company, and thus I am going to illustrate for you. The corporate governance is very important to protect the stakeholders' needs and desires. Shareholders must be protected if any unethical actions or activities are committed by the management of the organization. In the case of Enron company, it is found that the ethical principles are completely violated, as the fiduciary duty that is needed by management was not seen. In the case of Enron company, the board of directors failed to fulfill the fiduciary duty, so that they could protect the interest of shareholders of the Enron company. Also, the top executives of the company are found corrupt. They were very greedy, and they were acted in the direction to fulfill their own desires only. The next factor that the Enron debacle is taking related to Enron debacle is that there were many employee who knew very well that the this kind of game, manipulation of the accounts was deliberately done by the management team, but still they didn't say anything about this or report anything about this to a concerned authority. And also it is found that the external auditor named Arthur Anderson. The external auditor was also responsible in manipulating the document and showing the fake gains earned by the Enron company. So overall, you can see that there were many players who were involved in playing this unethical approach, and it also shows that the if company doesn't take into account the principles of corporate governance, it may suffer from such things that the Enron company had faced. So to avoid such debacle, it is suggested that the corporate governance must be strengthened and the effective oversights must be provided regarding those actions that are being taken by the corporation. For example, if the business transaction are taking place, there is a control on these business transactions. Also, board members regular meeting must be organized. Compensation to the executive must be designed appropriately. These things can help a company to avoid the debacle such as Enron company faced. Also, strict code of conduct and ethical principle must be enforced by the company. These initiatives can help the company to avoid poor corporate governance. I hope that you have liked this, and please press the bell icon if you like the content. Thank you.